Hello kids and welcome back to grade 1, Family and Friends 1, Starter. Today we're going to study lesson 4. Have you got your books and mini board ready? Great. Can you open your class book to page 9? Let's go. Today we're going to identify numbers 1 and 2. And then we're going to practice writing the numbers 1 and 2. Are you ready? Let's go. Look. Count. How many cups are there? What do you think? 1. 1 cup. 1. Great job, kids. Let's say the number 1 out loud. This is number 1. 1. And now we're going to trace the number 1 in the air. Show me your finger. Let's start. You're going to start from the dot and go all the way down. That's number 1. Is it easy? Great. Now, I want you to get your mini board. Have you got it? Let's practice writing the number 1 in your mini board. We're going to start from the big dot, and we're going to use the arrows to help us write it correctly. And we're going to start from the left. Let's go. Start from the dot and draw a line all the way down. That's number 1. Was it easy? Great. Now let's practice writing the number 1 on the lines. We're going to start from line number 1 and draw a line all the way to line number 3. 1. This is how we can write number 1 on the lines. Have you done it? Great job. And now let's count again. How many stars can you see? 2. 2 stars. 2. This is number 2. And this is the word of number 2. 2. Now let's say the number 2 out loud. 2. 2. Great job. Now we're going to trace the number 2 in the air. Show me your finger. Let's start. We're going to start with the dot. Go in a curve. Come back down and to the right. Easy? Great job. This is how we can write the number 2. And now we're going to write number 2 in our mini board. Have you got your mini board? Great. Let's start. We're going to start from the big dot. And again, we're going to use the arrows to help us write it correctly. And we're going to start from the left. Let's go. Start from the dot. Go in a curve. And come down. And then to the right. Easy? Great job, kids. Now let's practice writing the number 2 on the lines. Have you got your mini board with you? Great. Let's start. We're going to start from the dot just above line number 2. We're going to go in a curve and then go down. And then on line number 3, we're going to draw a line to the right. That's number 2. Was it easy? Great. Now let's practice. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Match number 1 and 2 to the correct picture and then to the correct word. Can you do it? I will give you 1 minute to think about it. Now let's check your answers. one book, one. Two cups, two. Have you got it correct? Amazing. Now let's practice some more. You have the letters to make the word one, but they are not in the correct order. You have to move the letters to make it say number one. You're going to do the same for number two. You can write the number in the box. You can use your mini board to do this activity. I will give you 3 minutes. Now let's check your answers. 1. O-N-E, one. 2. T-W-O, two. Have you got it correctly? Amazing. Now let's practice more. Look at the numbers on the board. Can you circle number 1 and number 2? You can write it in your mini board. Now let's check your answer. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Great job, kids. And now we're going to circle the words that make the number 1 and 2. You can write them in your mini board. Let's check your answers. This is the word 1. This is the word 2. Have you written them in your board? Great job. Now let's practice some more. Look at the pictures and count with me. Let's look. How many ice creams? Write the letter and the word for it. How many bunches of grapes? Write the number and write the word for it. And then count how many. Write the number and write the word for it. You can use your mini board to write. Let's check your answer. 1, 1, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Have you got it correctly? Great job. Now we've come towards the end of our lesson. Don't forget to answer the number 1 and 2 worksheet. Also, don't forget to answer the exercises in your workbook, page 7. This is the end of lesson 4. Was it easy? I hope that you enjoyed it with me. I'll see you next time. Bye!